today's a really cool setup. Here we have a really fun activity that it's a little different from our usual, but you guys have been asking for this. People have been saying in our comment section of the YouTube channels ever since the ERAY was purchased, Tesla this, EV this, Plaid this, and today, let's have some fun. We got Mr. Jack's 2022 Tesla Model S Plaid. Took me a second to remember that because I'm not really following Tesla too much, but they're really cool cars. We made a post on Facebook a couple days ago asking if somebody has a Plaid that would come out to Texas Motorplex and hang out and come race with us. And Mr. Jack commented, and here we are. There's really not a lot of mods you could do on a Tesla, but what he did a few things. He took the seats out of it, so there's no passenger seat, there's no rear seat, and he also changed the tires to a little nicer ones. Besides that, it's stock. It's pretty cool. These things have been known to run 9.4s, 9.3s, 9.2s, and pretty gnarly in my opinion. There's a place for them in the market, and today we're gonna compare them side by side. We're over here in Texas Motorplex. We're gonna be racing our ERAY. This car is still the exact same combo that you guys saw that ran 938 at 148 miles per hour, back to back to back. We brought it out here with the exact same setup. The only thing we did to it is add a boost controller and also take out the passenger seat. We're trying to run a number here and we're trying to go a little quicker. We've been messing a lot of it today with transmission tuning and having some combos that we have in mind that would work in testing mostly. I don't really care about the running a number until right now. So this is our segment to run these cars, but let's have some fun with it. Let's talk about it. Go down in the comment section below. I don't want people to be triggered by this or anything. I really think they're cool. They're both cool cars in separate aspects. Let's give you guys a quick rundown. ERAY, electric front motors. We still have the 6.2 engine in the back. Obviously, we put a forged piston and a twin turbo kit. That's our BD1000 ERAY package. That's a BD850 Stingray package. The only difference is this car has a stock camshaft. The BD850 that we sell has an upgraded camshaft and obviously a lot more goodies into it. So we built this car as basic as possible with just a lot of different goodies that we put into it, kind of just do a lot more research and development. We don't want to build the same of everything every time because we're not going to learn from it and not change anything. So that's that. And the Tesla, obviously, it's just it. So just weight reduction and some tires. So let's jump into this thing. Let's compare them side by side and let's have some fun. All right, Jack, what'd you do? How'd it go? 930 at 1, I can't even compete with that. That's awesome. 147, 60 foot, 598 on an 8 mile.
Nice. I didn't even look at that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Let me put my microphone in here. 930 at 140.88. That's hauling. So the only thing you've done to this car is take the seats out.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
I mean, is there anything you really can do to this?
Yeah.
Wheels?
Yeah. A couple tints.
Tunes?
I don't know.
Did you say couple tunes or couple
I
things?
don't know what they're doing, but
Okay.
they're getting down there. I don't know what they're doing. It's a new car to me, so I don't
That's
know
awesome.
about it.
I love it. I can't hate. This is awesome. You brought what you got. So
Yeah.
and that's what we want.
I'm about to make another one.
Another pass right
Yeah,
now?
because the battery's hot. So
Okay.
I'll probably get a couple
All right.
passes.
Well, we'll meet you out there.
Okay.
I'm gonna be doing a test pass on mine just on third gear.
Okay.
So this is not gonna count, hopefully.
Okay.
And then I'll be back to make a full hit.
Yeah, just do what you gotta do.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
It's awesome. 930 at 140. Street trim. Really cool cars. I really love it. I'm not gonna hate. I feel like, you know, there's a fair comparison. I didn't really know what to expect on this head-to-head battle. A lot of you guys have been asking for a Plaid versus ERAY race. You know, our car is obviously built kinda, for the most part, forged pistons, stock cam, twin turbo kit, obviously fully done by BoostDistrict. And on his car, built by Tesla, removed the seats, run a 930 at 140. I think that's pretty cool. Can't hate on that. And obviously different kind of cars for different people. I would daily that for sure. And the only thing that I have a problem with is the agenda by the government, I feel like, and some of the people feeling like they just only EV. But besides that, I feel like there's a place for them in society, just not for everybody. So really cool stuff. Let's watch this next hit. What do you got?
So
you ran 3 back to back.
The best we got was a 9.283.
You make it harder for me.
At 149.76. That's the best.
That's awesome.
I think that's the best it's going to be.
You went back to back.
Well,
right?
they all went 9.3s.
930, 9283, 9283.
Yeah, it's very accurate.
Actually, this is what you got faster because the mile per hour in this one is a little quicker.
Well, the 8th mile on one was the 8th mile is a little slower.
Yeah.
But here, the 8th mile, we got a 5.9.
5.98. Yeah.
Yep.
Jeez. I don't know how we're gonna top that. That's 928 at 149.9. Basically 150.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I can't complain. Are you happy with it? It's your first time running in the quarter mile, right?
No.
On this car?
In this car.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm very happy with it.
That's awesome.
I was expecting, honestly, 938.
Yeah, that's awesome. But you took the seats out.
Yeah. I think it helped a little bit.
Yeah. A lot. 147 pounds.
Yeah.
That's amazing. That's a tent. Every 100 pounds is usually a tent.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yep.
Now we're gonna have to try to top that. There's still the same exact package that it's ran 938 at 148 on. So
now I'll just sit back and watch.
Yeah. I've ran. It pulled the wheels off the first pass. So
yeah.
That's just testing. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit and go from there.
Okay.
So, well,
awesome. This
was a very last minute call. Yeah. I posted on Facebook a couple days ago and you were here. So I really appreciate you at least just coming out here and having fun with us.
Yeah, of course.
So anyways, I'm gonna go make some pass. Thank you again.
Yes, sir.
Let's go make some pass and let's compare in the end.
Okay. Thank
you. I know you have really good people around you. Competitors in this video. Tesla Plaid, Jack, and your name? Dave. I don't know how to use a boost controller in our car. We literally installed it a couple days ago. I haven't read the instructions. They came in here and helped us add a pound of boost on this thing. So now let's try to see if we didn't add too much. And I hope really good, but really appreciate you guys helping us with this.
Absolutely. You're welcome.
What do you gotta do? Like, even our competitors are helpful. So it's a fun video, it's a fun time. That's kicking my ass, but a pound of boost, let's see how it does. my gosh.
Thank you.
What is it?
We mile an hour more.
What was it?
939 at 152.
That felt really good. I know I'm behind in our competition, but the car is perfect. I love it. Like, for a, let me get out of here so you can work on that. For a stock head, just literally piston and twin turbo kit only that we built here, with Christian's artistic ability on the tuning and calibration. We went 939 at 151.8. So we're still a little slower than before, but it leaves hard and felt really good. It lost a little bit of boost there. I think we set the boost controller a little too timid and conservative. We're gonna try to be a little bit more aggressive on it this time and see how we do. But overall, fun day. Tesla is beating us a little bit, but it's making good content. Car is really ripping pretty hard. Video real quick by doing a little comparison. The Tesla, thank you Mr. Jack for showing up, went 927 first pass, 928 and 929. Insane, all more than our PBs. On our end, we did several passes. Remember, this car went 938 at 938 at 148 the track session beforehand, which we extended a record. This time it went 938 at 151, it went 939 at 148, and then 938 at 148. Really consistent bracket racer car. We did not have enough for the Tesla this time around. The beautiful part about this car is that we can mod it. Unlike the Tesla, you know, it's just taking weight out with the wheels and tires and taking as much of the interior out. On this car, we can add more power. We can add anything we want, and we also have a lot of proprietary things, just like some hint of transmission tuning here and there that nobody else has access to. Really cool. So we're grateful for everybody's support. Thank you for everybody that participated in this video. Christian for flying all the way up from Michigan. We had a lot of cars that came to this track event. We had Karen's twin turbo Corvette, we had Paul's twin turbo Corvette, we had Chad's supercharged Corvette, and we also had Jamie and Bria's C7 Z06 1000 horsepower Corvette. We were very busy in this track session, and we're actually going to be starting to offer track session for all the cars that comes in at BoostDistrict. It's going to be a package. If you want your car out to leave with a time slip, you can either come and fly out, or we can help test your car out, and it can leave with a time slip, and it's going to be a fun program. So for us to teach you, coach you with your car, and have a good time. And come out with us and enjoy. Anyways, last but not the least, this car is going to PRI, Performance Racing Industry Show. This is we got invited to the PRI Lucas Oil Stadium dome spot right next to the Sim Stadium. This is most likely where it's gonna be at. They might change it last minute, but take a look at your Instagram and follow us on where exactly it's gonna be. We're grateful for PRI for inviting us to the show, and we can't wait to show off our world record BoostDistrict ERAY Corvette. We're doing a couple more things into it while it's here in the shop. We just did the nice taillights on it. Look at that, looks pretty sinister. And we also added cage. We wanted to put a cage in this car for safety because we know we're gonna go much faster with it. Sam, go on this side of the lift so we can show it, or just overlay it. Really badass, nice cage. We're gonna set it up really nicely. It goes around all the interior parts of the car, so it looks good. I was gonna joke about the weight reduction because I took the other seat out too for the cage install, but you know, it's all seats are gonna go back in place. It's gonna have a nice harness, and we're gonna go get a Hans device for neck restraint. So that's it for this car for now. We're behind. We're about a tenth behind on the record of the Plaid on this time around. But we're gonna come out swinging. Next track session, most likely we're gonna have the power plant on this to add a lot more power. We finally figured out what was the issue on our boost controller, and we're gonna get that. We got that fixed, and now we can hammer down on the boost. This engine owes me nothing. It's still the stock cam, stock rods, stock DOD lifter engine, so that we've had in this car for the whole year pretty much. So I was really trying to go out and end this year with this car with as fast as we can, with no remorse if it came back in one piece or not. But we couldn't get the boost controller to work then. It's fixed now. We might go back out one more time with this setup with a lot more boost, or we just put the other engine in it and put this engine in our museum that knows it's the holy grail of boosted C8 engine that we have in our facility that we built in-house, and keep it in reserve just in case we need it. But we'll see you guys in the next one. I didn't want to make a long video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. What car should we call out next? We're gonna definitely run the Plaid again once we finish this, so we can have a nice side-by-side comparison, and we're gonna run it side-by-side. We finally got insurance for that. We're gonna have side-by-side racing, and we might do at least one side-by-side racing, and then we're gonna try to call out another car. Drop down below, comment on what car we should race next. We're gonna do a fun comparison. We're gonna try to go a lot more of the this and that feature on this, and have some fun. Lots more cars here in the pipeline for Boost District, and lots more different projects. I got 5 or 6 different videos, Sam, already in the pipeline, right? And a lot of them are really bangers, so we're excited. Lots of nice cars in the shop. We're really grateful for the support. If you want your cars built by Boost District, the best C8 shop and a lot of other LS and LT platform, give us a call. Look at our new website. Lots of really fun stuff in the works. So like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.